If I had one wish from God, I would wish to create my own man. I wish I could bake a man like a cake. Wake and bake a man like a cake. Bake a man like a cake. Wake and bake a man like a cake. I got my ingredients right here. 3 teaspoons of tender love and care. 1/4 loyalty, no affair. And 10 cup of money, ma fi be a billionaire. Body
On top of the morning to each and every one, wherever you are. It's a beautiful day in the state of Georgia. I'm in Suwannee and I'm on a lake or a retaining pond. They have a gazebo. They also have a walking trail where you could get your exercise in. But it's so cool out here. As you can see, the body of water. You have some turtle and you have some fish swimming around. Then you have a tree where you could sit underneath and enjoy the breeze that blowing off the water. So enjoy this video. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tampa_1960 TV. And also leave a comment. Bless up to each and every one. Hope you all having a wonderful day and be safe in whatever you do. And just remember, nature is great.